Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency for Hanifida as the director of Pesantren Spekemlar Hanifida, and excellency for all the teachers, especially for Mr. Munir as the headmaster of junior high school, and all the teachers from the senior and junior high school, and then excellency for all my family in the house. Hope you all safe, and excellency for all my friends that I love. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jazira Salsabila Hadi from second grade of junior high school. Today, in this time, I will presentation about my imagination map in the title of different type of sneeze. The different type of sneeze. First is there's when they sneeze quiet as mouse, keeping the internal louder than other type and amount, and suppress their sneeze. Like suppress their sneeze is with the loud sneeze, like everyone shocked with your sneeze, like that. And then the second branch is about the variation of sneeze. The variation of sneeze is first, like respond to different stimuli, sensitivity, irritants, and allergens. The sound of sneeze is come from the nasal anatomy, that respiratory muscle strength, and a bigger sneeze is come from the volume typical depends, and the lung capacity when more air you take in your lung. If you get more air in your lung, so you will get for louder sneeze than each other, than others. Then the third branch is about properly. Sneeze with properly, the adequate. The first, after to avoid exposing, wash your hands, and when multi-do, so you can do with your upper sleeve right there. Then after that, wash your hands. Illness diseases are spread, so you need to cover your mouth and nose like this. Then covering it with a tissue when sneezing, because if you hurt your hand, so your disease and your bacteria will come to your hand, so your hand will dirty and not healthy. And then it's disposing of it immediately like that. Hypnotization, so you need to your upper sleeves. Yeah. And the last branch, the fourth branch, is the ethic way in Islam. Ethic way to sneeze in Islam. First, Allah likes sneezing, but dislike yawning. If one of you yawns and spread it as much, so you need to say Alhamdulillah, because that is sunnah, and don't make any noise, because girlfriend will not love you, but the shaitan will love you. So it seems like you just make them happy like that. Yes, I think enough. I'm sorry for any mistake from my what I speak. That's for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.